Jai Mata di friends, welcome to AKS. In this video, I am going to do the sound test of the Philips SPA5161F. Before that, let me confess something. I tried making videos in English, but my English is not that good, so I started making videos in Hindi. I got many comments to make videos in English also, so for that reason, from now onwards, we'll try to make two videos, one in Hindi and another in English. So let's play some songs, then I will tell you whether you should go for this home theater or not. So guys, as heard, the sound of home theater is quite impressive. The vocals are very clear and the bass effect is quite good. Not great, but it's good. And the loudness of this home theater is very good. It's a 6500 watts PMPO, but it's very good option if you want to buy a Philips home theater around rupees 5000 to 5500 rupees. The main problem of this home theater is the design. The design is very attractive but comes with its own drawbacks. The speakers and woofers are not covered, which increases its chances of damage from hands or any other equipment. So think before you buy instead of regretting later. So guys, I will make a Fight Club video with Philips SPA7000B to check which one of them is a good choice. So that's for this video. If you are enjoying my videos, then smash the like button, comment below for any questions and suggestions. Thank you guys for watching. Jai Mata Di.